Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today I'm here to share with you my SampleSource unboxing. I had posted a video, I'd say about a month ago when it went live, so I hope all of those who watched were able to take advantage of the box. So I'd love to know down below, comment down below if you did get your SampleSource box. And what items did you receive? Mine is still completely sealed in the box. I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it with you and share it with you. So I wanted just to start off by saying thank you for all of those who commented on my last video. It was just a couple of pictures. I just wanted to pay tribute to those who were lost in Monday's horrific tragedy. So again, thank you for all of those who commented. And again, my heart goes out to all the family and friends of those who were lost in the tragedy. So if we could just take a moment of our day and just remember those that were lost in that senseless, horrible tragedy. So thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. Thank you for stopping by. And the reason you're here today is to see what I received in my box. So for those of you who are not familiar, this is the website. It's SampleSource.com. I believe it is available in the US for our friends in the US as well, of course, as Canada. So basically what it is, it's an online website where you fill out a couple of questions and that will determine what samples you get. So it is pretty much personalized to you. So basically it is samples. So these are things that you may not have normally purchased for yourself. You may have thought of it, but didn't want to spend the money on a full-size product. So they will send you sample sizes so you can pretty much try it before you actually buy it. So that is a great program, and again, I thank SampleSource very much for the opportunity to try something before I actually buy it. So if you want to see what I received in my SampleSource box, please keep on watching. So as you can see, it is still completely sealed, so I'm going to do a live, well, as live as you can get, unboxing with you. So I'm going to get my handy dandy scissors and open the box and place the camera at a different angle so you have a better view. So it is now open and you can see it is a jam-packed with goodies. So let me just move the camera a little bit higher so you can see a better view. So now that we're a little bit higher, you can probably see a little bit better. So this is the inside of the box there. So let's just pull out one thing at a time. So the first thing I take out is a Dentalife Daily Oral Care Dog Treat by the Purina brand. And one of the questions was specific to pets. If you had any pets in the household, be it cats, birds, dogs. And I do have a dog. Her name is Kiki. So they sent me a sample of this Dentalife. She'll be very happy with that. So that was the first sample. The second one was by the Replens brand. It's a vaginal moisturizer and lubricant. Fast-acting, supplements body's natural lubrication, long-lasting up to 3 days. Don't remember what question I answered to get that, or whether I even answered that question, but I got that. #1 pharmacist recommended. Let's just open up the package if you're wondering to know what it looks like. It's just a package like that. It actually feels like a tampon. So yeah, I got that. I got a sample of the Welch's fruit and yogurt, strawberry flavor. It's low fat and gluten free, and there are 20 grams in a package. I got this Voltaren no pill required little pamphlet. There's no coupon on that one, so it's some informational pamphlet. A coupon: buy 3, save $1 off of 3 cans of Fancy Feast. My parents do have a cat, so I answered yes to having a cat. So if there is any samples of that, they can take advantage of that for their cat. Everything's stuck to the end over here. I did get a sample of the Voltaren Original, and it's a trial size, 20 grams. And this stuff is really, really good. If you have aches and pains, I really do like this. I got a sample of the Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner, original formula, cleans and reveals a natural shine. And it's a 2 fluid ounce. This I have not tried, so I'm curious to try that. And it's in a convenient spray bottle. And here's the instructions there if you're interested. So excited for that. I got, this looks like a full-size item, the Uncle Ben's Bistro Express Basmati rice. Perfect in 2 minutes, 250 grams. So that's exciting. Have not tried that as well. Have tried other Uncle Ben's products, but not this particular one. Here's a coupon for save $2 off of any 1 bag of Purina Dental Life or Dental Life Chews. And that has an expiry date of November 30th. Some good samples here. Received a package of Tim Hortons caffeine-free peppermint tea, Earl Grey green tea, and I believe that would be orange pico. So that's nice. Always nice to try different teas. Very excited. Thank you. Here is a Fancy Feast Creamy Delights Salmon Feast with a touch of real milk. So my parents' cat will enjoy that. I received a Kashi Dark Mocha Almond Whole Grain Bar. I have tried the Kashi brand, not necessarily the dark mocha, so this will be nice to try. It's non-GMO, and this one is 35 grams. So this is a free product coupon for Deliciously Smooth Cottage Cheese. Well, that's exciting. So that is absolutely free, and it's a full size. Okay, and I think we're nearing the end here. So you can see the box is empty. So we also received, oh, this is nice. Oh, Isabella will love this. A free product coupon for a 1 bag, 198 grams of the Pepperidge Farm Goldfish Cheddar crackers, baked with real cheese. And it has a value of up to $4.99. Oh, thank you so much. We have a Cetaphil sample of the Gentle Skin Cleansing Cloths. Have never tried those. And along with that, there's a coupon of save $2 off the purchase of a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleansing Cloths of a 25 count or higher. And last but certainly not least, I received a sample of the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser and Moisturizing Lotion. And I'm on the lookout for a new cleanser. So definitely loving this. And these are both 4mm sizes. So that is what was in my SampleSource box. So let me know down below, what did you get? Because I would love to know and compare. And again, if you haven't tried SampleSource already, I highly recommend that you do. It is a great program to, again, try things before you actually purchase a full-size product. And all they ask that you do in turn is just to review their products and word of mouth, let your friends and family know that they too can subscribe. So just as a little bonus, I have another small sample box that I received that I'd like to share with you. This is, I'm just going to take out my name here so we don't see it. So it's called The Kit. It's by Sampler. I will link their website down below so you can sign up for that as well. They occasionally have free samples, and again, it's the same type of idea where you try these samples before you actually buy them to see whether or not you would like it. So I received this box last week, but I was hoping to do it with this video, and it turned out that I was able to. So let's just open this box and see what we did get. So inside the box, this is what we have. So let's start off with the smaller item first. I have a sample of La Roche. It's a prebiotic moisturizer for sensitive skin, 0 perfume or alcohol, and it's made in France, and it's a 3mm size. So I have a sample of that, which is really nice because I love skincare, so that's perfect. And I also have a sample by the brand Explore Cuisine. It's organic green lentil lasagna. It indicates that it's 11 grams of protein per serving, oven ready, non-GMO, GF certified, and it's 227 grams. So yeah, so that was a great week for samples. So again, I will link that website down below. So I'll link actually both, so you too can take advantage of these great samples. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you got. And if you like these types of videos, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that little bell icon. That way you never miss another one of my videos. And if there are any great samples, any great coupons, any great sales, deals, I usually try to post them on YouTube as well. So if you hit that little bell notification, you'll get a notification, and you too will be able to take advantage of whatever it is that I'm posting. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. All my social media channels are linked down below. I try to put all different types of deals and so forth on my Instagram profile as well. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.